everyone. Market is open now. Let's do some refreshment here. Yep. So market's a little bit flat today. At 0%, so it's like flat, you know. I want to make sure also they have everything is running here. Yeah, I didn't enable this one here. Yes, sir. Also, make sure this one is running. It is. There we go. Let's see. It's rocket this morning. It's rocket, buddy. Everything is all the templates running, all good. Overnight, the pre-market template yesterday made $1,200, which is very nice. So it is the one that most make money so far in October and November. Well, let's see. So the pre-market template, the most template now make money and less drawdown so far. And then the second one is the trading. Let's see if we have any signal. If we have also any 15 minutes support resistance here. Let's see. I don't think so. Yeah, should be good. Should be. Yeah, we do have one here. A second. We do have one here. Actually, this one. I want to see two. Yeah, I want to see this one here. It's good. I want to see two touches at least. And also there is one here also. These two touches. And that should be it. See, today's what? Today's Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah. Wednesday. All right. I like when I see the market flat like this. Again, you don't, again, when I always say you do not judge anything, you just take all the trades every day for 2 hours in the morning. Or until afternoon you can, you know. System, you can print signal anyway. So you can't, some people like to read afternoon, which is fine, you know, a lot of good signals happen. But for me, I like to read in the morning only. I like to stay that short the whole day. So again, if this is your first day in the room, again, the system will actually print the signal and take the trade for us. And we have 4 templates. We manage these 2 manual. The first one here, when the system make the trade at the buy limit, we actually move our target to the next support resistance, which is either the blue line, 15, or the white line, the daily, for the target. And this one, we trail our stop. So this one target are big, but we trail our stop behind market structure. Manually, we move our stop loss manually. And then we have another 2 templates running by themselves. One of them is running pre-market, 4 hours before the market opened until the market closed, which this is the most one make us money so far. We have another template, take the same trade we take here, but by itself. And this one has 3-to-1 risk reward. And it's using the previous 5 bars high and low. And also I have a good news. We also working on an update on the system. It's going to be V2. This update will actually, you can add profit and stop loss in ticks instead of previous high and low or swing high and low. You can actually add on ticks. Some people like to add on ticks, because I want to say if I using, let's say if I'm using 80 to 160 ticks profit, let's say, now I know if I lose one trade and then I make one trade, I know my exact risk reward. It's a point. I don't believe in that, by the way. I don't believe in sticks and stops because market moving and behavior. But it's gonna be an option, and also it's gonna be an option also to trail your stop in ticks as well. So instead of trailing your stop as we do now behind the swing high and low, you can actually trail your stop in ticks, in fixed ticks. And also the last update will be we're gonna have an option to disable any bar that more than specific ticks. Like let's say this bar 280 ticks. We don't want that. We don't want to take a signal at 280 ticks, like you're risking $2,000 in one trade. So, and give you an option to, if this bar is bigger than this amount, no signal. You could make it, I would say make it 100 ticks, that's fair. So if any more than 100 ticks, no trades. Even if it's gonna go in your favor, risking more than that is nonsense. You don't want to risk 200 ticks in one trade. You know what I mean? That's gonna be a very cool update. There's no timeline, but hopefully by the next week it should be okay. But again, it's already working, it's already developed, but we have to, test it, and it's like a beta version now. So you have to test it, make sure it's correct, nothing wrong, before you release it. Also, people send me emails yesterday about, they have a machine ID field here message. Make sure, guys, when you have your template, your machine ID should be here. Must be here. Otherwise, it's not going to take trades. It's going to give an error. So the way you get machine ID, go to about, help, about, and then you copy this one here, machine ID, copy it, and then you go to your strategy template and you paste your machine ID here. That's it. The template comes in members area, it comes with the default machine ID. This one is not going to work. You have to put your own machine ID. Already? Let us see. Okay. Morning, good morning. Yeah, hold for next week. You can also, like I said, you can add stop loss on profit and ticks. If you want to get quick profit, or make a static risk reward by using ticks, stop loss and profit. Or you can also move your stop loss by ticks, not by swing. I would say the ticks, I think the ticks, it might work more in ES than in Q. Because ES is very choppy. So using swing high low ES, it might be not very good, because market ES like moving, bar up, bar down, bar up, bar down. So using ticks in ES, it might be a good idea. We can test new template in ES using ticks. Why not? Stay no trades. Give me 1 second. trade so far. Let's see if we have anything here. Oh no, let's see.
Order submitted.
All right.
Order filled.
You want a second? Still no signal so far. We'll see. Also, we made the alpha trade copier. It is, I never see anything like this before. So the alpha trade copier has actually a very cool feature, which is not like traditional trade copier, like Apex trade copier or whatever. You can just mirror the trade from one account to one account. No. It can do that, and also it has another option to just take the signal from the master account and then copy the signal on whatever ATM you use. So it's very cool. Like if you see this, so you can actually, let's say you want to use master account, same account one or whatever, same 101.
Stop filled.
And then follower account, you can choose any follower account, and then you can use your own ATM, and you can name the ATM names. You have to create it first. And then you paste the name here. So let's say you're trading here. 1 second here. What is that? Okay. So let's say you're trading here one contract, like normal, like we do it now, fixed target, whatever. Right? You can actually copy this trade right here to any ATM, to any account with different ATM template using 3 contracts. One is fixed, one is trailing, or whatever, 2 contracts, one fixed, one trailing, whatever profit target, stop loss you have. So the system will copy the signal from this account to whatever account you choose and use the ATM you provided, which is very cool, like very cool. So even if you don't have, if we're gonna have V2 have this option, even if it doesn't have an option, you can actually copy this trade here in like few different ATMs and few different accounts, which is very good for speeding up the process of backtesting. So instead of You know, let's say you want to trade like 5, 6 version of same signal with 5 or 6 different ATMs. You can do that just by one trade, and each other account will copy the trade but take different ATMs, which is very cool feature.
Order
You got a signal here
submitted.
now. So this is going to be our target right here. And as usual, this is going to be our target right there. And for here, we're going to move our stop
AI
loss behind
plus.
each bar. Let's see. Come on, man. Let's move, man. The target quick, please. I don't want a drama this morning, please. Move your target. Get your target very quick, please. Come on. Get your target very quick. No drama this morning. Here we go.
Order canceled.
No drama. Quick for $100. And for this one, we're still moving, still waiting. I tried my stop. I'm gonna keep my stop loss here, and then once the market move, I'm gonna see what's the market structure here doing. I see here there is support resistance here. So I'm gonna hide my stop loss right here now. And you know, once this bar closes above another 15, I'm gonna now move my stop loss behind the 100, and then you know, keep trading. So we make a $400 in this trade very quick. And we still have another template running by itself now, which is the swing 5 is up $800 now. That's a nice move, man. That's a nice move. You're gonna secure some profit from this shit. I'm gonna move my stop loss right here now. So I'm securing some profit now. I don't wanna give up all this profit, to be honest. That's nonsense. So I secure some profit now. How many ticks I secured here? I secured 62 ticks, which is not bad. You know what I mean? 62 ticks is like $300, but it's still a trade. We'll see. Once this bar closed, I'm going to move my stop above this, below this 15 line here to secure some profit. So my stop loss now is going to be right here. So I'm going to secure some profit now. So now I secured from this trade, how many ticks? I secured 83 ticks from this trade so far, which is $450. I'm not still moving. No, we'll see. We'll see. Again, we're not using now. Look at the SARs. We are not using them so far. We're just using normal. But if the market keep moving up, and I see the SARs starting to come in our favor, now we're going to start moving the second dot. And this is the time you're going to make a big money. And the swing 5 is up now almost $1,000. So now we can also, secure some profit here. Why not? Market is moving big time now. We secure $500 so far. I want to see if any support resistance here, so I can hide my stop loss behind it. That's the key here. You have to look for any I see support resistance here. I see a wick here and also a wick here. So I want to see this How can I hide my stop loss behind this wick? So now, I'm going to secure some profit now, move my stop loss behind this wicks. Now I secured $600 from this trade so far, and market is still moving up. There we go. So I secured $600 now from this trade. Now I'm going to move my stop loss right here now, behind this wick here. Now I secured now from this trade so far, I secured $780, which is very cool. And again, we can take another trade here. This will not take any trades because it's already in a trade. This one, you might take another trade. Explain the trade copier in more details. We need to make a video about it. Yeah, we're gonna make live YouTube about this trade copier. Most likely tomorrow. Still working on it. I see clear breakout now. Now I'm gonna move my stop loss right back here. Now I'm secured also. I secured now from this trade. I secured $855, and I am still a trade. I think my second stop, it could be around here. So once this bar closes, I'm gonna move my stop loss here, secure more profit. Market is pushing up big time. That's a nice trade in the morning. I could be moving my stop loss right here now. Yeah, actually market is moving. I'm gonna secure some profit from this trade. It's a big trade now. So now I secured from this trade now $1,115 so far. Then once market is moving, I'm gonna move my stop loss behind the 15. And then, let's do it. And again, the SAR is still so far here, so I'm not gonna move my stop loss, give up all this profit. I put my stop loss right here. It's not gonna happen. So I will wait, if the SAR come to my favor around closer to my target, then I start moving the SAR as a target, as a moving stop mechanism. Once this bar closes, I'm going to move my stop loss right here and secure some profit. See, market is moving up. Actually, I'm going to move my stop loss right here now and secure some profit from this trade, which is going to be now, I secured $1,365. This trade is up $2,000 now, by the way. So the swing 5 is up $2,000 so far. And we still in trade. So you guys can see now we are up now in one template, $1,725, and we already secured from this trade $1,365, and we already gained from this template for $400. So now the three templates now making over, I would say, overall like around $3,000 in profit in total. And we still, you know, less than 30 minutes after market open. And we still in trade right now. We'll see what happens. It's up $2,000 now. It's moving up. And I might actually move my stop loss when this bar close. I tied my stop loss a little bit more. So to catch more profit, I'm gonna move it here now. So now I secure my profit now. I secure $1,475. And market still moving up. Okay. And then again, might move my stop loss around here now, once this bar closed. I'm going to move my stop loss now right here. Now I secured $1,700. And again, it going to my target, man. I'm making like 4-1 now. I don't know, 3-1 I think. So let's see. Markets keep moving. And actually, I'm going to move my target from here. I don't want target, man. I want to keep squeezing. I don't know. I don't want targets. I want to keep squeezing. I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe I get more than that. I don't know. I'm just bought the trade. If you guys can see now that the second dot start coming, but if I move my stop loss from the second dot to here, now I am actually reducing my profit by 82 ticks, which is going to be around 400 bar. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to actually not moving my stop. I'm going to wait for a bit. I'm not going to move my stop loss now. I'm going to just wait for a bit. I want to see what's going to happen, because if this dot's going to come to my favor now, I start using the second dot, I'm going to squeeze this trade like crazy. I might be in this trade for like 2 hours. Because the second dot is actually, when the market hit the second dot for this parabolic SAR, means the trend is done, most likely. So this trade is not happening every day, right? It's not happening. And this trade, that's kind of trade, that trade will make you money. So we want to make sure when you are in this trade, you squeeze the hell out of it. Oh, 7 a.m. We have a news now. Let's see what's going to happen with this news. Whatever. I already secure profit, so I don't care. So now, I might use now my stop loss to be here, behind the dot, 42 ticks. I'm okay with that. So now I'm going to start doing now a second dot as my moving stop, which is not bad. So now I'm going to use now, I'm not going to use now market structure. I'm going to use now the second dot as my stop loss. That's it. And I already secured a lot of money from this trade anyway. So in this trade, I secured 294 ticks so far, which is $1,470. And again, now I start moving my stop loss behind second dot. But I see a wick, so I'm going to do it like this. Now I secured now, how much I secured now? I secured 1,605. And I'm still a trade. If it hit my stop, I don't mind. And I see also a wick here. So in this way, I see a big wick like this. I might actually move my stop loss a little bit more here, you know. which is gonna be around below this wick right here. My thought process, I don't mind give like $200-300 profit, but you know, if I'm in big trade like this, I want to stay in the trade more if I could. So if I see a chance to tide my, I see a second dot here, so I tied my stop loss here. So if I see a chance to tide my stop, sorry, to widen my stop a little bit more to stay in the trade, I would do that. And again, we are up almost $1,700 in this trade now, so I'm fine. Right, give me a minute.
Order canceled.
Hit my stop with a very nice profit. And we still have a template running, by the way. We still have this template still long. It's up $1,600 now. So we still have one template actually still long.
Order submitted.
And market moving up, back again up. So, yeah. And this template is still up now. It's up now almost $2,000, 350. The overnight trade didn't, the pre-market template didn't take any trade today. Take a very nice trade yesterday. Still to trade, we'll see what happen. And someone yesterday told me, send me an email like, what's the difference between you, Fund to Go, and any other firms? What are you talking about? We are number one, man. We are number one, and we will be number one, and we will stay number one. There is no, you cannot compare us to any other firms. At all. We are the opposite. So they give you evaluation accounts and prop firm account, P accounts with live drawdown, so you can eat your money live. And that's it. That's your job. We are the opposite. We don't want you to fail. We want you to make money, so you can make money too. So this is a transparent business. I'm not hiding anything. And I know, I told you yesterday guys in live trading, this business is all about subscription. That's it. That's it. It's all about subscriptions. They make money out of subscription, period. I'm not saying we are not making money out of subscription. We do. But our goal is to make money out of the good traders. And to find this good trader, we have to pay out a lot of money. That's why we have to, that's why our pricing is very reasonable, because there is no middleman here. Every trade every account you pay to any prop firm, there's actually at least 2 or 3 middlemen taking money from you. The platform itself, the data provider, it could be like Rhythmic, it could be Trade-Of-8, whatever crap, it doesn't matter. They take money out of you. And it's all freaking simulation. That's it. It's like you go gambling in a casino. House always win. That's the game. Here, it's different. We're using the simulation free. We don't charge you for simulation because it's free. Why charge you for simulation? But I give you a chance to prove, I give you a system, Alpha A Plus, if you want to, I would suggest to use it. Like if I give you a system that actually make money and join, I want to go, you're going to pay me? Yes, I will pay you. But because I know not everyone will make it, even the system going to make a lot of money. But because a lot of people lack of discipline, lack of consistency. I want to find this 10 or 15 or 20 or 50, hopefully, or 100 that actually can use my system or whatever any system you're using, doesn't matter, and make money out of it. And get 3 months on the row, max payout. Then I'm gonna start making money. That's the the time I'm waiting for. So the way you do it, we cannot compare us to any other firm because we are number one. That's it. Give me 1 second. Still no trades. We got a very nice big trade this morning, and you already have one template running, still running long. It's up $49 now. Let's see. And we already make $1,500 from one for the trailing, and we make 400 from the fixed target. And we still, 1 hour away, maybe more than an hour away. We're done today, but we'll see.
Order filled. No, still no trades. We go. Number one. We still see
Do you have another trade? Let's see.
Stop filled.
We still have this template running. It's up now, 19, almost $1,700 now. I'm actually thinking to make a change for this swing template. Is I want to make the secure profit, because yesterday actually give a profit. Again, it doesn't matter. It's the result is beautiful for the last year, but I don't like, taking profit like yesterday. I was up to $7 in this template and come back, hit the stop. It's mentally it's not good for the traders. So what we can do, but again, we have to backtest this. We can move our stop loss at a swing of, let's say, swing of 10 or 15 bars. So in this way, we still give the market room to breathe and everything, but we secure our profit. So if you are here, let's say, if we do like, 15 bar swing, we can do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But in this case, we'll be stopped out right here. Right? So if the market pull up like this, we will already take profit around here, which is going to be also 163 ticks. If you do 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this is going to be the low of the 10, which is going to be this one. So we're also going to secure some profit. We're going to calculate the low of the last 10 bars, which is going to be this one here. And so on and so forth. You can try this one. You can test it too, by the way. The way you do that is you can actually go to the template itself. You can add it here. And you can go to the template, the swing 5. So this one here, in swing 5. And if you go down here in the stop loss mode, and instead of fixed, you can make swing trail. And then you can change the swing trail strength. Right? So in this case, it is already 5, you can make it like 10 bars. So in this scenario, it will move the stop loss live within each bars, 10 bars. So secure profit on the way. That's the way you do it. We can change it to be 3, 5, 10, 15, doesn't matter. And you can also change the swing tick offsets and the stop tick offset. So the stop loss offset, how many ticks behind the swing should be. In this case, 24, which is good. You could make it 10, you could make it whatever you want to make it. Yeah, that's the way you change this. Okay. Okay, moving up now. But for the trading move here, we did a great job. Like we actually did a great job. We move, we take our profit right here before the market choppiness, and we secure good profit, and that's it. And there's another trade here actually happening. So this is gonna be my target right here, right? And my stop loss is gonna be same
AI plus.
and we'll see what can happen. If it, again, it's winning or losing, doesn't matter. I mean, okay, we give up. If you could give a profit, you could, but that's fine. So that's why, because we don't know if you're gonna give a profit, you're gonna make more profit. The way this system make more money is we take the trades the whole morning session. It doesn't matter if this trade is if how many, and that's why I'm not a big fan of stop trading at a certain amount of money. If I make like $500 or $1,000, stop trading. That's not good because some days you're gonna make 3-4 grand in a day, and this is gonna pay off. That's you need 3-4 days and this in a month to make money. That's all you need. So let's see. So in this scenario, I'm gonna reduce my risk here in this baby here because I see a wicks here. I'm gonna reduce my risk here. And we'll see. Come on, man, move up. Don't be shy. Move up. Come on, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Be a good boy. I don't want him to come down back again. Get the frick up. Move up. Move up, buddy. Move up. Come on. Almost there. Move. Come on. Be a good boy. I see also this tweak here, so I'm gonna actually move my target a little bit here. I wanna secure my target very quick. I don't wanna have this hassle back and forth. So let's go. Let's move. Let's move. And for this boy here, I'm gonna move my stop loss break even because I don't wanna market go one tick and hit my stop, to be honest. I hit my
Order
target.
canceled.
That's nice. So 2 winning trade now. So I'm up now in this fixed target, $835. And in this one here, I am still in a trade, And once this bar closes, I'm gonna break even now. So you have 25 seconds. I might actually secure some profit. I see a wick here behind this one here. So I'm gonna secure some profit right now from this trade. So I am now in the free trade now. So now I'm in the free trade now. And keep trading, we'll see. Markets keep pushing up. That's a big, nice move upside. I see a wick here, so I'm gonna might hide my stop loss. If the market continue up, I might hide my stop loss right here, but we'll see. I wanna see the action here now, because this is a daily, keep in mind, this is a daily support resistance. So I wanna keep my mind in this one here. Market's pushing up, so I'm gonna secure some profit now from this trade. So I secure now from this trade 48 ticks so far, which is $240. That's good. And the template is still running. The other one is still running. It's up to almost almost $3,000 now. Still going. This is gonna be my next stop. It might be right here, but let's see. I want to see what's gonna happen. Hit my stop. That's
Order
it.
canceled.
That's it. So I'm good. So I make in this template now 1,740, and this template, the fixed target, I make 835, which is very cool. And that's it. And have a still one template running.
Order submitted.
Moving up back again. And by the way, we have the one is actually pre-market is actually in a trade now. It's long trade now. So take a trade now. It's still long. Still pushing up. Keep going, buddy. Dancing at the daily now. Still market choppy at daily support resistance. We got two trades so far. Very nice trade today, this morning. Very nice two longs. That's a nice push up again. Nice push. This temper is up 3 grand now. Nice push. Keep pushing up. So we have 2 templates now. All our templates are green today. One is up 2 grand, almost 3 grand, and pre-market one is up almost $500. And we are up in the trading 1,700, and the fixed we are up $835. So all templates are green today. So you can actually take your laptop and go coffee shop and and open one your laptop. You don't need screens or whatever crap. Just two chart like this and laptop side by side and drink some coffee and do your job. You don't need any special thing or any preparation or any shit like that. Give me 1 second, guys. right, what's happening here? We're still looking for a new signal.
Order filled.
Please, okay. There's some account not funded, or maybe evals. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What do you mean by sim or funded or this? What are you talking about? I don't understand. Barry, let me explain this one more time. There is nothing called evaluation. It's a simulation account. Get this out of your head. Nothing called evaluation, nothing called PA. It's a simulation account. Everything you trade is a simulation. That's it. So all the accounts I'm trading now, simulation copied my live trading and it was fun to go. Whatever you trade now, whatever you have company names, whatever names, it's a simulation. Nothing called eval, nothing called PA, it's a bunch of crap. Simulation. You pay money to trade simulation. That's it. I don't want to hear this word funded, or there's nothing called funded or PA or eval or this crap. It's called simulation. That's it. You trade account, you trade simulation. That's what you're doing every day. And you pay money to blow your account by a drawdown. That's all you do. And you do this every day all over again for the last 2 years, and you never get money, and you will not get money. Period. It's up to you to at some point you will realize that actually you are in a rabbit hole. You're not doing anything. You're trading simulation account to pay them to make you fail. Mark is pushing up now. That's why we made the tiers. Because I hate to call it accounts, eval, crap, bunch of shit. Nothing like that. It's simulation account. That's it. That's why we said, okay, this is a tier. It's a risk parameter tier. You risk your simulation account to it. And I test you for this simulation account. How well you do in your trading, and then if you're doing well, then you're gonna trade real money if you wish to, which you should be. But there is nothing called evaluation or prep or crap or all this bunch of nonsense shit. Sorry, increase my voice because I'm fed up with this. I'm fed up with this. They do what they do to traders every day. And you guys are dreaming. You're not living in the la la land. It's a la la land. I got 50 evaluation. I got 200 PA. What are you talking about? Tell me how much money you make. Zero. How much? Get your credit card and see how much you spent on this bunch of crap since last year. Check it. How much money you spend on this shit every year. Evaluation and prop firm and crap. How much you spend? A lot. How much in your account? Get money. Zero. It's time to wake up. That's it. Wake up. We still long.
Order filled.
And by the way, your goal, it should be even with fun to go, whatever you make, your goal is should be opening your own life account. This should be, I always say this. Always. Your goal should be always, if you, how much, if you spend this all much money, if you say, if you, how do I say that? If you trade, if you open like 10K account or 5K, trade one micro, making $50 a day, you are actually making progress. You're making something called money, which you never made. You trade in freaking simulation and you name it evaluation and prop and funding and shit. There's no funding, there is no prop, there's a bunch of crap. You spend money all over it. That's it. That's all you do every day. There is no funding again. Don't say this word to me. The F word, I don't like it. So I'm going to call it the F word now. There is no funded. There is nothing called funded. It's a scam. Nothing called funded, nothing called PA, nothing called evaluation. It's a bunch of shit. Don't say it to me. I don't want to hear it. Sorry, man. It's my room. I don't like to hear it. It's make me angry when I hear this word. Nothing called prop firm. Not reference with it. Nothing called evaluation. Nothing called funded. Funded for what? Actually, you fund them. Yes, you fund their bank. That's what you do. Not you, all of you. That's what you do. Yeah, actually, yes, you funded their account, their bank account. That's what you do. You're trading in simulation and you fund their bank account. Good for you. Keep doing that. And keep buying 210 accounts every day and blow them up. Hopefully one day we're gonna make it, and you will not, trust me. Trading live drawdown and all this bunch of crap, it's gonna make you lose money. I don't know when you're gonna, it's gonna, at some point, people actually gonna wake up. I'm waiting for this moment. Wake up. You're not gonna make money out of this. Period. Can you imagine companies making infrastructure on simulation just to make sure you fail? That's it. That's their job. That's why with someone, okay, I requested $300,000 from Apex and they rejected. Of course they're gonna reject it. And they're gonna make any excuse to reject your payout. Why? Because it doesn't make sense. If you pay like $80 a month for, I don't want to say the word, I hate to say it, I will say the scam account, and then you request $300 in your dreams, if you got a penny of them. You will pay some people, yes, but, you know, with very restricted rules, and again, sometimes they ask you to take a picture, video of yourself trading, because they want to pay you. They don't want to pay you. This is a losing business if they pay you. You're trading their funded account because your job is to fund their bank account. That's it. Nothing else. Take money? No, that's not good for you, for them. Life drawdown is against the business market structure, 100%. Market can go up, can go down, can go sideways. If you judge me by what I am doing in the trade life, you are living in a la-la land, and I'm with you. The same la-la land. We are dreaming. That's not real life. Wake up. Mark my calendar now. Today is November 5th. Let's just excuse Oh, that's a big question. I love to answer that. Why Fantago is different? First of all, we don't have something called accounts. There is nothing called accounts because there is no accounts. No evaluation, no shit, no PA, no bunch of scam thing. There is no accounts. It's a risk management business. So our job is not to get you funded or this bunch of crap. No. Our job is I want you to know. I want to know if you are a good trader or not by trading in whatever account you want. I don't care what account size you trade. You trade your simulation. You trade whatever. I don't care. Your own business, your own life account. I don't care. I don't care. I want to see how good you are in trading. If you're using AI Plus, I prefer because you're gonna make me money anyway. What I believe, I don't believe 100% in auto trading. That's why auto trading is good, but I believe if someone, human, is actually a good trader, which is actually a disciplined, very restricted business, he trading as a business, he have a very good solid trading plan for whatever he's doing, either using AI Plus or whatever he's using. He's gonna make tons of money if you give him the liquidity to do that. Not all the people have this money. How are we gonna do that? By testing them, using their own business, using their own account, using their own whatever they use. I don't care, but I want to see how we're gonna make that. That's why we're gonna pay you for in the beginning, when the beginning phases. But I'm not gonna pay you $300,000 a month by, because you pay me $25 a month. It's not gonna happen. It's a business. I want to make money too. But my goal is not make money out of subscription. This is not my goal. My goal is I want to find these people actually who very consistent within the first 3 months. And you have to max the payout for each tier. And then I'm gonna copy their trade in live account, or if they okay with that, you're gonna have two options: either copy your trade or open live account for you and profit split. Then I'm gonna make money when I'm sleeping. That's my dream. That's my goal. If I can find 100 traders, I'm gonna make tons of money. I'm drinking pina colada at the beach. That's what I do. You know what I mean? So you can think the difference between us and them. First, we are number one, and we're number one, and we will stay number one. By the way, time will come, and you will know that. Time will come when people actually wake up from the dream of scam funded and scam PA and all this crap. Will come, and we know what's the difference. The difference is we are the opposite. We are the other side. We are the traders. We give you the system to trade, to make you money. And we make money out of you too. When someone requests payout from Fantago, I'm happy to give him because he's one step away from actually making me money. You know what I mean? That's the difference. Oh, we are in a trade now. Woo! That's actually... Oh man,
AI Plus.
we shouldn't be in this trade because how many ticks we have in this here? I was talking, man. Come on. We shouldn't be in this trade anyway. We shouldn't be in this trade because it's less than 13 ticks. So we shouldn't be actually. I'm gonna cancel this trade. We shouldn't be in this trade because it's less than 20
Order
ticks.
filled.
It's less than 20 ticks. So what we can do now is we can add our buy limit above it. That's why I was talking, so I didn't pay attention. But we shouldn't be in this trade. By any
Order
chance.
submitted.
My buy limit should be right here. So that's okay. We lose like $100, no big deal. Oh man,
AI.
come on.
Order filled.
It's gonna keep putting the buy limit in this freaking same area. So yeah, we shouldn't be in this trade. We should be in this trade above the 100, which is, why did you take this trade here? I shouldn't be talking so much, I should pay attention, but anyway. Anyway. I don't know why it didn't add the buy limit here. It should add the buy limit right here. Do it again. Refresh the Ninja script. Come on. So this one missed the trade actually. And this
AI
one here,
plus.
my target will be right here. And let's see. I missed this trade for this one, but anyway, that's fine. Yeah, pleasure, man. Because you guys don't see how many, I talk to traders every day, and they are living in a dreamland. They are not on earth. Every time I talk to someone, oh, I have 15 evaluation, I have 6 PAs. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What 15 evaluation, what 15 crack? How much money you make? Zero. What are you talking about? You've been scammed and you still love it for some reason. Because you wanna keep the feeling of, I am doing something in the morning. Actually, you do nothing. You're wasting your time and your money every day. You work for them, basically. That's why they call it funded account. I love that because you fund their account. That's all you do every day. Every day. You fund their account. Come on. Anyway. Time will come, you guys wake up. So this trade, it looks like a losing trade.
Order canceled.
That's okay. So this trade is losing. And this one didn't catch it, so that's okay. We'll continue trading. We still have 2 templates running long. We have one here is up $2,000, and the other one, which is the pre-market, it was up like around 500, but it's still down, still up now, but still in the trade. We'll see. There is there's like I don't want to say names, but I think like 5 years ago, 5 years ago, there's a big company, one of the biggest, scammers out there. It was the founder of this company was making a video about this company, explaining the rules and everything. I remember, I wish if I can save this video. I wish, you know, but unfortunately I didn't. It was up for like a few days. It was like brand new company still, and he was like having a board. And if you see this guy, he's talking about his story about he was with another firm older than him, make tons of money, and then he decided to, you know what, I'm gonna open my own firm because the ruler sucks, and by the other same rules, by the way. And the way, and he's shooting this at in the office, it looks like a garage, I think. It's like a small office in a garage. And he was wearing a broken belt, and he looks like a homeless man. I don't want to judge anyone by the way they look, but it was. And when I see this video, I was laughing. Actually, what are you doing here, man? Just go. If you make this money, just go buy yourself a belt. Period. What are you doing here? Of course, I didn't sign up on this shit because I know what they're doing. And look at him now. Look at him. I don't want to say names, but I think you know what I'm talking about. Look at him now. He's driving Lamborghini. He lives in a mansion. You know, in 5 years. That's why, because you guys funded his account. That's what you do every day. You wake up in the morning, fund his account. Oh, man. And of course, they delete this video. I wish if I have it. I wish if I can have this video. Yeah, I remember actually the one guy told me about this company, and I just, opened the site, see what's it was like brand new. And I saw he make this video with explanation, the rules and everything, and I saw the video and I text the guy, what are you talking about? What is this, man? Are you serious? This kind of guy, you would think he's gonna make you money? Come on. I remember this, yeah. It was like before COVID, I think. And there is another company is making this funny rules also. Funny. Get evaluation account crap for $20 or $25, whatever, less than a McDonald's. But if you want to go to PA, yes, with me, you're gonna pay $700. $700 for the PA account. So what they're doing actually, subconsciously, they want to make you don't want to pass the account. Because if you pass it, I have to pay $700. I'm okay with $25. I'm making some money in the morning, losing this in the second day, and buying different accounts every day, funding the bank account every day, and I am posting my picture and telling my wife and my kids I'm a trader. And I actually never make money, and that's what I'm doing. Did you make shit? No. So, I'm gonna keep talking about this until you guys wake up.
Order submitted.
Oh, there's another trade here. Here we go. See how many ticks we have here. We have 42 ticks. That's good space. Then our target is gonna be here if we had the entry. And that should be it. Let's see. Market push down now. And the market, the system will wait for 5 bars. If no touch, you will actually cancel the order, but we'll see. Yeah. Even this guy, when he actually posts a picture of himself in the, I don't like that, to be honest. Like, he was like buying his daughter a new car. I think it was like, I forgot what's the car. It's a very expensive car. The comment will people actually, oh, this is our money. You gave your daughter, which is true, by the way. Yeah, because you funded his. I want to say this business, and instead of get funded, fund us. It's fundraise actually. It's a fundraise business. You have a funded account because you fund an account every day. So people actually have a lot of hate comments on him, you scam, and he actually took off this post. He took it off and actually went off social media after this post. I don't like that, honestly. Like, especially with his daughter and stuff. You don't do that to him. But people are mad because they see they're frustrated. I'm paying you every month for PA and shit, and you buy a new cars? Come on, where is my money? It's not his fault. It is not his fault. It's a free world. He didn't actually force you to do anything. He gave you the system, and whatever he's explaining, which you subconsciously it's a bunch of crap, and you decided to take it. So it's not his job. And there is no regulation for this business, unfortunately. There is no regulation. There is no something in the law called prop firm. I don't know why. So I'm assuming the big boys like it for some reason, push liquidity or stuff. I don't know. They like it, so they keep it. But there is nothing called, And I know a lot of people actually. I know some people actually. They used to have a brokerage, and now they switch to prop firm because they don't make money anyway. Because no one wanna open a live account. So they switch the trading industry instead of. I'm talking about the future trading. That's why, if you want to see real traders, like the real traders, they're making money out of the market, options traders and stock market traders. That's actually the real traders. That's actually the serious trader. They make money. That's why there is no prop firm in the option market. It's a real business. It's a real trading. They make real money. Futures, they turn it out. Future used to be the same. Used to be like real business. People jump in. Back in the days, if you wanna, you can actually join. It wasn't called a prop firm, like a marketing firm. Trading firm. And you can sit in the office and trade their money, but you have to prove yourself. You have to have a portfolio, trading your own money for at least 2 years, and they have a lot of people, interview. It's a lot of procedure, but you sit in the office and you trade their money and their clients. So they like hedge funds and stuff. It used to be like this, and it's still now, but it's not very familiar. This is a real business. They turn out this business to be casino. That's it. Bunch of gamblers came, willing to pay $20, $30, $50, $80, and have a dream of making money overnight. And give him this fancy word funded account, which is gonna be funded by account anyway. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually the last bar. If no touch, this will be cancel the order.
Target.
We're still long in these 2 trades. So this
Order
one is actually
canceled.
canceled. And we can look for another trade. We still have almost 30 minutes. It is gambling. It is casino. You go every morning, bet on the casino. That's it. That's all you do. Especially with the
Stop
live
bill.
drawdown. It's a casino. You gamble every day. You don't know. Just do, all of you guys, do me a favor today and go in your bank account and see how much money you spend on this crap for the last year. Just, yeah, think about it. How much you spent on this and how much you gain. And just sit by yourself for a moment, like truly honest moment by yourself. What the fuck I am doing now? That's it. And you realize what I'm talking about. It's not only wasting your money, you're wasting something more important, your time. If you are sitting here with me since 6:30 in the morning, almost 2 hours now, and you do this every day, 2 hours or 3 hours some people actually take for a whole day, which is sad. I would say go work in McDonald's, man. Better for you. At least you get paid. You work for them. That's it. You work for them. That's the bottom line. For free. Actually, no, you work for them and you pay them money. Brilliant business, man. Come on. I think the guy who invented this idea, he has a deal with the devil. Like he was sitting one day drinking some whiskey, whatever, and the devil came to him. Do you want to make money out of this bunch of people? Yes, this is the idea. He was high. It's a brilliant idea. You know? It doesn't mean not, some people make money from prayer firm. Yes, there is. They have to because, they have to balance it out. But the reality is how many, very, very, very rare, like less than 1%. Less than 1%. And even if they make money, they're going to lose it again. And they're going to keep continuing. It's a math. He's not going to be like, I'm taking money every month for the last 2 years. It's impossible. And if you know someone with this kind of prop firm making money for the last 2 years every month consistently, let me know, please. I wanna interview this guy and see what the fuck he's doing. Maybe he's doing some magic or something. Because it's not gonna happen. All right, still no trades. Give me 1 second. Sustain no trades. We have almost 9 minutes. Actually 7. No, we have like. We're still long in these two templates. One up to 2,600, other one is 500. It's still waiting.
Order submitted.
AI plus.
يلا بينا نسهر يلا يلا بينا ندوخ يلا بينا نسير الكوكب مع أول صاروخ
So you're still long this trade.
Order cancelled.
Target fill.
يلا بينا
So we're just running trade here. I'm still waiting for this one here. So I see the market sharp a little bit. So I'm gonna let's move my stop loss break even here now and see what's gonna happen. So I already cashed this trade, the fixed target. And for the trailing, I'm still at break even now and see what's gonna happen. And we have these two templates still running actually. One of them is up $3,000 and the pre-market is up almost $1,000 and we still in a trade. That's a very good trade day today actually. There we go. Keep markets moving up. Let's move, man. Let's do it. Let's see. We have almost 15 minutes until we're done today. I want to see clear breakout for the 15 before I just move in my stock. And I kind of added a bit luck, you know. Maybe, yeah, just pick on the commission. Let's see.
Order canceled.
So we catch this trade. So this one, the trading stop is actually hit break even, which we tried. And this one is winning. And we still have this two template running long, both of them.
Order submitted.
And we'll see. We have almost 9 minutes till we're done today. Very good session today. You guys can see all the templates are green, all of them. Let's see. Maybe poor Mr. Reed, my candlesticks are not the same as your chart. This error on my chart resulting from what? I understand what you're talking about now. What do you mean candlesticks? And what? Are you already have AI plus? I don't think so. I know what you're talking about, man. And yeah, because it's YouTube streaming, so it's kind of a little bit delayed than your chart. Little bit delayed, yeah. But I don't think you have AI plus, which you should, by the way. AI plus, I would say, nothing ever made like this before. In any system have ever been made in futures, ever. If you have something like this, let me know. You're not gonna find it. And if I give like a real value of this system, I would sell it for at least $10,000 a year, at least minimum. But I'm giving this because I want you actually to try it and use it, so you can actually use fund to go and make money, and I can make money too. That's the goal. But it's priceless. Give me 1 second. We have 3 minutes until we done this session. And we still have 2 templates running here. One of them is almost $3,400, $3,500 profit, and the pre-market one is up 1,300 now. And markets keep pushing up, man. There we go. There we go. That's a big move upside. And by the way, I think one of them is done already. So Alpha Auto. Oh, still in a trade, 5. So the still 2 template is still in a trade. One of them is up 3,700, other one is up $1,500 so far. see, that's, markets keep pushing up.
Order canceled.
There we go. So actually, the swing 5 is actually hit a target. So it's up now 3,840, and that should be a job for today. So this one is done already. Make 3,840. So it's done trading. The swing 5 makes 3,840, and the one is pre-market, still in the trade. It's up 1,500 now, still in a trade. We'll see. We'll see what's the result going to be today. And again, the pre-market one is just going to take trade until the end of the day. So just keep it running, don't touch it. Like yesterday, it made $1,200 after, I think, 11 a.m. Eastern. So it was a very successful session today. Almost all of our trades are winners today, except one, which is small loss, but all of them are winners. And by the way, there's no more trades. It's already 8:46. So that should be it, guys. And if we're running the template, just keep it running. Don't touch anything. Let it do its job. And that's it, right? And just, like I said today, do this practice, please. Go to your bank account and check how much money you spend on this crap for the last year, and you will know what I'm talking about. And if you decided to actually, move on and, make real money, not wasting your time and fund their account, you know what you're doing now. You know what you're doing is you have AI Plus, you have Fund to Go, just get both of them and start making serious money. And make us money too. All right? See you guys all in the morning.